We are tested on our ability to recognize a system of equations between two different types of graphs, a line and a parabola. Now let's go ahead and draw our standard coordinate plane here. And I'm going to label this y equals with our yellow. And then I will have our parabola just be in green here. Now, if y equals 3, that means that if we set the line here, that really means that this point here would be 3, right? And the line is going that way. And actually, you know what? I take that back. Let me go ahead and make this like a solid, like regular line here, so it's a little bit more precise. All right, we have a line that's going through here. Now let's think about the fact that a parabola with this type of equation, ax squared plus b, the a term is not being shifted to the left or the right. So what that tells us is that the parabola more or less is going to be going through the center like this, which tells us that it has an intersection in negative and positive values for the x input and output. Now, that eliminates C and D because we're given both two positives here. And now we're down to A or B. Which one would it be? Well, if we're saying that B is 2, and because A is, so if we see A's are the same, so it really comes down to our B terms. Let's say that the equation here, B is 2. What that means is that the y-intercept for this parabola is 2. When x is 0, y would be 2. That actually means that if this graph would end up, when x is 0, the y would be 2. So that actually means that at some point it would be here below the graph, which is too low. All right, so that means our y-intercept would be here, and we don't want that because it wouldn't be getting any higher than that. So then now what we're left with is just B as our correct answer, because what that does is that 4, it gives us enough height that the line for y equals 3 can run through it twice.